don't have any other branch. हमारी कोई अन्य शाखा नहीं है, नकालों से सावधान.
Hello guys, my name is Yogambar Singh. I am from Chamoli, Uttarakhand. I have been in DDA for past 1 month and my experience was really good. The teachers was really good, especially the GTO part was really good. I enjoyed it a lot and I can say that it was the best part of my life in year 2021. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Rahul Sharma and I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh, and I have been in DDA for my SSB interview, and all the faculties of DDA as GTU sir and interview sir and psychologist sir are well trained and well experienced, and that was very helpful for us for the perspective of interview examination. And I think whatever we have learned from here, it will be very beneficial in our interview.
Hello everyone, my name is Vigo Prashad Rath. I am from Puri, Orissa. I have been taking SSB training for Technical Entry 46 from Doon Defence Academy. The session was really helpful and supportive, and the faculty here was really friendly, and they shared a lot of knowledge and experience with us. I am confident that I will clear this SSB. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Manoj Singh Bish. I am from Dehradun. I have done my SSB training from Sandeep Sir Doon Defence Academy. I learned lots of new things while in SSB training. I improve my self-confidence and public speaking. Staff and faculty of DDA is very supportive and helpful. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Neetu Sharma and I am from Mathura. Last 15 days I take the SSB classes in DDA. The teachers of psychology and the GTO are best and give the proper guidance to us how to deal with the SSB. And the main thing about the infrastructure of the DDA is very best, and the GTO grant is very best. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Parmar. I am from Sajapur, MP, and I am preparing from SSB interview from DDA. All teachers are best and GTO ground is also best. Jai Hind.
Myself, Vasu Parmar. I am preparing ND SSB from DDA, and all teachers as best faculties. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Puneet Kumar from UP Muradabad. After complete 12th class, I have been preparing ND exam from Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. Today I have complete SSB classes. I observe here all staff and all teachers are very good and experienced and clear all doubts, and also staff is very meaningful and give extra facility like has extra classes, computer labs and SSB classes. So DDA is best coaching in Dehradun. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. I am from Hathras, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my SSB training from DDA. All the staff of DDA is very supportive and good. Psychology sir, interview sir, and as well as G2 sir, all are good and very helpful.
Hello friend, my name is Abhishek Kumar. I belong to Aligarh, UP. After clearing my class 12th, I came here. I have been in DDA for last 6 months. I observe here a lot of knowledge, and I have been taking training of SSB and completed my training of SSB in Doon Defence Academy. All staffs and teachers are very excellent. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Prince and I am from Karnal, Haryana. Opting a career in defense services was the very first decision of my life, and opting DDA for it is my second best decision in life. DDA is the best platform and the faculties over here are very highly experienced and genuine. After completing this 15 days of SSB coaching, the DDA extract the best out of me. Jai Hind.
Hey everyone, my name is Nitin Kumar. I am from Samli, Uttar Pradesh. I am having my SSB coaching at Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. Thank you.
My name is Kapil Parmar. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I am a student of DDA and I am preparing the SSB in DDA. My experience is the teacher faculty of DDA is very good, especially GTO sir, and the GTO ground is very good. It is very helpful for the students who preparing the NDA written exam and SSB. Jai Hind.
Hello guys, my name is Anurag Yadav. I am come from Manpuri and I completed my SSB in DDA. It is very good. I learned good experience here. There is a good GTO teacher and psychology as well as interview. it is very beneficial in SSB. There is a GTO ground and well classes occurred in SSB. So, thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Prashant Singh. I am a old student of a DDA. I took SSB in DDA. Now I am confident, well confident. I overcome from the stage fear, as well as I have took participated in many activities through which I am able to perform enough good in SSB. The teachers of DDA are well experienced. They help us a lot. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
All fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today your batch is going to pass out. This was a batch of SSB batch 18. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You have completed your complete GTO task, SSB interview, psychology by the experts. Okay?
Yes, sir.
First of all, tell me, have you got fully confidence?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are ready for SSB now?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Before proceeding to SSB, just make sure, as per joining instructions, your everything should be ready in all respect. Like uniform, your documents, your COVID-19 instructions, whatever is there. You make everything ready before proceeding. Okay, everybody got the date?
Yes, sir.
SSB session, lecture aids, everything has been covered. Okay, now you have to work accordingly. इसके हिसाब से आपको काम करना है. अब आपको समझ में आ चुका है कि आपका वीक फील्ड कौन सा है. असल में बहुत जरूरी है कि अभी बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग फॉर SSB you have to complete all the observations like your communication skills, your competence levels, your knowledge of current affairs, your attitudes, your presence of mind, your turnouts, everything has to be correct. आपको स्टेज 1 में सब पढ़ाया हुआ, सब चीज बताएगी आपको, तो आपको उसके हिसाब से काम करना है. आप चेक कीजिए कि आपके पास कितनी क्वालिटीज हैं, because you have to discipline enough. आपका एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज, your turnouts, your presence of minds, everything will work for the SSB. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are basically presenting yourself for interview, just sit there with fully confidence, with a smiling face, make eye to eye contact. Don't become overconfident. अगर किसी सवाल का जवाब नहीं आता है तो वहां पर उसको जो है डोंट बीट अबाउट द बुश, उसको घुमा फिरा के मत बोलो. अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर.
स्ट्रेट वे अगर नहीं आता है तो आप वहां पर बोलिए यस सर, आई गॉट सम लिटिल डाउट्स, आई विल चेक एंड गेट बैक सर. तो देखिए, अपने आप को मोटिवेट कीजिए, अपने आप को एनर्जेटिक कीजिए. अगर जोश है तो एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. आपको बता रहा हूँ, अगर आप जोशील हैं, आपने एम बनाया है दिस, आई हैव टू क्लियर दिस SSB and I will become officer. You should have a proud feeling for this. आपके पास proud feeling होनी चाहिए. I have cleared my written examinations. Now I have been selected for the SSB. Now I have to clear it. This is the requirement. If you will make an aim, 100% you will success. Okay, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Today is a very important day. You are going to pass out. Our soldiers have given the sacrifice for country. और आपके दिल में अगर फीलिंग है तो आपका काम आसान हो जाएगा. आप जब इंटरव्यू में बैठेंगे तो आपके दिल में ये फीलिंग होगी, यस नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बिकम ऑफिसर नाउ. आपके अंदर एक अलग से जोश होगा और वही जोश आपको पार कर जाए. मैं आपको बताऊं, एक सिंपल जो बंदा है, एक एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स कैन बिकम ए डिफेंस ऑफिसर. बस सिर्फ आपके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए, आपके अंदर एक लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए, आपका कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा होना चाहिए, आप डिसिप्लिन होने चाहिए, आपका प्रेजेंट ऑफ माइंड शार्प होना चाहिए, आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छा होना चाहिए. बस दैट्स इट. दिस इज द रिक्वायरमेंट. वहां पर वो बच्चे के सामने यही देखना चाहते हैं ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यू. जब आपका पूरा कॉन्फ्रेंस होगा, उसमें पूरा असेस किया जाएगा, इंटायर जो आपने किया है उसको पूरा असेस किया जाएगा, whether he is fit for defense officer or not, whether he can command the juniors or not. आपके अंदर नीचे जो है सबऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे, फौज में बटालियन होती नहीं है, तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, उसमें कई तरह के लोग होंगे, आप उनको संभालना है, उनको विल बी लीडर। तो लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज में क्या है, सब चीज आपके पास होनी चाहिए, तभी तो लीडर बनोगे। तो फिर दिस इज द रिक्वायरमेंट, ये डिफेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट है, अंडरस्टूड? पहले आपको खुद डिसिप्लिन होना पड़ेगा, आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपके पास खुद कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अच्छा होना चाहिए, तभी आप दूसरे को एडवाइस कर पाओगे। ये मतलब है, आया समझ में? आपको जो बच्चे अभी तक भी जैसे सोच रहे हैं कि भाई उनको अभी काफी मेहनत की जरूरत है, तो दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म जो दून डिफेंस एकेडमी ने आपको दिया है। 2 वीक्स ट्रेनिंग में आपको सारी अपनी कमजोरियां पता लग चुकी हैं, वीकनेस पता लग चुकी हैं। नाउ यू कैन थिंक फॉर बेटरमेंट। अभी जाने के बाद आप अपना रूटीन बनाइए, मेक अ टाइम टेबल फॉर द एंटायर 24 आवर्स। 24 आवर्स का एक टाइम टेबल होना चाहिए आपके पास। स्लीप अर्ली, गेट अप अर्ली, गो फॉर द फिजिकल एक्सरसाइजेस, update your current affairs, communicate more and more in English all the time, entire day. Understood? Yes, sir. और आपके वहां पर डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाई होंगे, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आनी चाहिए, तो आप स्टार्ट वर्किंग फॉर दैट। ओके जेंटलमैन? यस सर। इसके लिए काम करिए। ओके, नाउ बेसिकली विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर SSB and for your success in future to become a defense officer. On behalf of Doon Defense Academy, wish you all the best. Okay, do well and good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.